So it's a super warm day here in Australia, and I was cutting some timber actually here for my maker's box, which you can check out on my videos page. But I was thinking of, and I've had this idea for ages. I've got a motor here, which is a 12-volt drill motor from a Bosch cordless drill that I pretty much broke ages ago. And I've got a little propeller, you can see. And that propeller here is actually off an old microwave that we had, and it broke, and I actually just dismantled it. But I've got a car filter here. You know, it's just a generic car filter. But I was thinking of making a cool little box and putting the fan inside to act as a little, like a dust collector. Now, it's not going to suck actual physical dust in like from a table saw. It's just going to improve the quality of air inside the garage here. So it's just going to suck, you know, just particles of dust. So I've got an 18650 battery here, and I'm going to hook it up and just see how. Oh, there we go. So see how. So I want to run this backwards actually. So I want to run it backwards so I can suck air through the filter. So we'll have a look at that. So that might actually work. Now this battery here is only a 18650. It's only a 3.7 volt battery, so it's really nothing. But I want to run this off like a little power supply, so something like that, and just have the little connection running into the little motor. So we'll see what we can do. Just a little bit of a mess around project, but yeah. And for anyone wondering, I am using my GoPro chest mount. If we take a look here, it's right there. So that'll be on the videos page as well. So feel free to check it out.